Alright, we're going to start and we're going to do a pot of mixed herbs. So what we've done is filled our pot full of loose potting mixture, and so we're just going to basically start planting. We're going to plant some basil, dill, and some chives. So I think we're going to put the dill into the middle of the pot because it will get the tallest. So I'm just going to cut this pot down just a little bit. And we're just going to put it here in the middle. Okay, then we're going to take, we've got a pot of chives. These are garlic chives, and what we're going to do is we're going to just take them out of this pot, break them up, and repot them. We're going to take them, we're going to give them a little haircut because they're going to, transplanting them like this, they're going to get a little bit of a shock, so we're just going to give them a small little haircut. Just going to dig a little hole, nestle these right in the middle there, potting soil up around them. We might make another little area of chives here. Let's give these a little haircut too. Let's put these over here. All right.
They smell good.
We've got two different kinds of, here's our dill sign, and our garlic chives. We've got two different kinds of basil. We've got cinnamon basil, which we're going to just try to take out a little chunk of these. Cinnamon basil's on this side here. Smells really, really good. I'm just going to pull them apart a little bit. Make a little hole. Nestle that in. Put some more right here. That's going to be our cinnamon basil. Then over here, we're just going to put regular basil. And this is the big leaf kind. Just gonna cut these down a little bit. If we left this up, it's sticking above the soil, the moisture would be wicked out of the little container. So that's why we cut it below the soil line. And just stick that in there. And there's our little herb plant, and now we just water that in, and before long we'll have some wonderful herbs. So now we're going to move on to our other pot that we're going to plant some watermelon in. And we're going over here. We're going to plant some watermelon in this pot here that will vine out onto the ground. I'll mix a little bit of blood meal in there. It's just a form of nitrogen. It's organic. Just gonna kind of mix it in. Here's our watermelon. Just gently squeeze out our little starts that we started in our little 6-pack here. Dig a little hole. we're going to put all of these in this pot. We may thin them out once we make sure all of them have taken. We don't lose one or two. These two have more. Get them out. Alright, we'll just come back here in a little bit and water those all in. So now we're going to move on to our last pot, which is going to be some sweet potatoes. Which we have two different varieties of sweet potatoes. They're both orange sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes come in different colors: white, purple, and the orange. These are all both orange. All right, here's our first, and this is named Diane. We'll just water in, and about October, we'll dig these up and see what we get.